Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making sweet, colorful birthday cake granola. Y'all, this granola gives big birthday cake vibes, and you only need 8 simple ingredients to make it. Let's do it! Let's start with those wet ingredients. In a small bowl, combine oil and maple syrup, along with vanilla and almond extract, and a little pinch of salt. Whisk that together until you have an even mixture and then set it aside. Now grab a large bowl and stir together rolled oats and crisp rice cereal. Then add the maple syrup mixture and toss it all together to coat the cereals really well. Spread that out onto an ungreased baking sheet and bake it up, stirring every 15 minutes. Stirring is so important here to ensure that your granola cooks evenly. It's going to cook a lot faster around the edges of the pan than it does in the middle. So every 15 minutes, just pull the pan out and use your spoon to kind of bring the oats from the outside in and then give everything a stir and smooth it out again before putting it back into the oven. When the baking time is up, let the granola cool for about 10 minutes and then transfer it to a large bowl. Now it's time to add the rainbow sprinkles! Finding vegan sprinkles is actually a little bit tricky, so you might have to do some shopping around and some label reading when you're at the store. The main ingredient to look out for is something that's actually in a lot of candies that have like that shiny glazed finish. It's called confectioner's glaze and it's made from bugs. The other bug ingredient that can be in sprinkles is carmine. It's a red food coloring, so if your sprinkles include red or pink, then you'll want to check the label for that as well. Stir in the sprinkles until you have a nice even mixture and you are ready to eat. I think this granola feels fanciest if you dish it up parfait style with layers of vegan yogurt. But you can also serve it up with your favorite plant-based milk instead. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this birthday cake granola. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!